The kites have gone out of view for a minute. We've got the birds tweeting away. In fact, that's actually a blue tit. Surprising how noisy they are. It's just gone out of range, but he's flittering around the tree. And there's a pheasant a second ago. It's very common around here. And just lovely bird song. Of course, it's very quiet. Just heard a horn of the train, but that's a long way off. And yeah, anyway, lovely day, lovely blue sky. All the best from Top Banana Antiques in Tetbury.